Mga diskaya, meron din pala sila sa DOH. Ang buong akala ko, sa DPWH lang. Akalain nyo yun. Tingnan nyo to.
Sa DOH, wala hong kurakot.
Ako, mahirap sagutin yan.
Same contractors for DPWH.
Yung nilistang top
nasa
15,
DOH
meron ding mga ginagawang health
contractors
center.
din.
Yes.
Oh,
At meron kang isa sa Mindanao na bayaran na, hindi tapos.
anong contractor po ito? Yung mga diskaya, meron din
St.
po.
Gerard. O yun,
St.
Vizcaya,
Gerard.
St. Gerard.
Sunwest, Zaldico.
Meron.
So, Secretary Erbosa, kung ang Pilipinas po o ang Philippine Public Health Sector ay isang pasyente, nasaan po kaya siya? Nasa ward, nasa OR, o nasa ICU? Anong prognosis niyo po?
Hindi. Wala na siya sa ward. Discharged na siya.
Ganun po.
Primary healthcare na ang kailangan ko. I need help.
How do you address critics po? Like Dr. Liatchon.
Well, for the critics, do not disturb the person who's trying to solve the problem. I'm trying to solve the problem.
Mhm.
If you have a suggestion that's good, I will follow it. But if you're just going to criticize me without a solution, sorry, I'm busy. I'm trying to solve the healthcare system of this country. Isipin mo yan, Jessica. Every 3 years, nagpapalit tayo ng mayor. Kami, nag-i-invest kami, tinetrain namin yung barangay health worker, yung nurse, yung doktor, yung MHO. O tapos, after 3 years, makikita namin bagong doktor, bagong nurse, bagong barangay health worker. Kasi, pinalitan na ng mayor, final niya na yung mga data. And that's why, politically, ito yung isang observation ko, Jessica, and I hope hindi ako ma-misconstrue. I'm not for dynasties, but the truth is, the dynasties, the political dynasties, the ones where the family names are the same, they're the ones with the very good healthcare systems in this country. Because the father will build the hospital, the mother will equip it, the son will hire the doctors, and then hindi na sila matalo-talo. That's family names.
Siguro if yung next news, meron na sila sa DILG, sa DOLE, sa DSWD. So, hindi na ako magtataka if parang all of the government and agency meron sila. Pero di ko lang ma-imagine kung gaano sila kayaman. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully, this will be stopped. For now, cheers.